Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the AcneFree 3-Step 24-Hour Acne Treatment Kit, Clearing System W Oil-Free Acne Cleanser Witch Hazel Toner Oil-Free Acne Lotion, Acne Solution W Benzoyl Peroxide for Teens and Adults. Original. The only downside to this product is it dries your skin out, so make sure you buy a good moisturizer. It helped tame my teenage acne after other off-the-shelf products didn't do much and now keeps most of my adult zits at bay. The real issue is with my face. Shouldn't all that clogged pore riffraff be gone by your late 20s? Get with it, face. The AcneFree 24-Hour Acne Clearing Treatment System hasn't resulted in any dryness or discoloration, and he is having less breakouts. My son has been shy and his self-confidence has went so down since hitting the teenage stage and the hormones kicking in and his acne flaring up. This was the only product that worked on my hormonal acne, and the acne has not yet come back, and it has been 3 months already. Purchased this for my preteen daughter who was experiencing periodic breakouts on her forehead and nose with large whiteheads forming almost weekly. Last week he returned to twice a day, however he hasn't been exposed to UV rays for more than 30 minutes. By following the directions exactly as recommended on the packaging, my skin became much more clear with a more even texture and less redness than ever before. The lotion helped to keep the size of the zit down, but it took an entire 8 days for the zit to go away. She had forehead acne that was getting out of control, and she was very bothered since school kids were paying too much attention to her acne versus. It may take weeks to see the full effect of this regimen, but my very mild acne problem has receded after only a few days. Great acne products. My boyfriend has a few problem spots, and this has truly helped. Great size products, and it doesn't leave his face all dry and red. The first step is a benzoyl peroxide facial wash that leaves my face feeling clean but does not foam up like other face washes. This says that it works 24 hours a day and that you may see results in as little as 3 days. It doesn't stop it from appearing, but it does reduce the time it's there and stop it from getting bigger with minimal to no scarring. Note that there is no SPF protection, so if you need that, it would be wise to put it on after everything's done. Have only had this product less than a week already, like it suddenly had a forehead full of zits at age 47 that would not go away. This product after one application noticeably lowered the signs of acne, and after less than 2 weeks it is almost completely gone. My son has major breakout that required very expensive medication. This works as much and able to keep those breakout in check. Why spend the money on Proactiv when you can get this for a very low price, and it works exactly the same. This does very well for acne treatment for people of all ages. AcneFree 24-Hour Acne Clearing System is clinically proven to be as effective as Proactiv 3-Step System and at half the price of Proactiv. Bought the AcneFree Cleaning System Kit for my teenage kids as a substitute for cleaners like Proactiv that require you to join a replacement club. That's not even how your skin works, so there's no point in complaining about something that at this stage in the game isn't actually possible. The mask serves as my acne fighting base, with the sulfur and tea tree working hard at attacking pimples that are under the surface and fighting ones that have yet to crop up. The system is basically the same active ingredients as the Proactiv line but has a much friendlier price tag on it. A product much like the name brand name product everyone's heard of. The price is affordable and the product helps to keep your face clear. If you're having a problem with acne, at least try this product and maybe it'll be the miracle product for you as well. It took me a good 2 months for my skin to be completely clear, but after that this product kept my oily skin and my breakouts at bay. You don't have to worry about your skin drying out too much. It's a whole set. You apply the cleanser, the toner, and then the lotion. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.